1596 River Ridge in Governor's Land. A beautifully crafted circular drive attracts you to this spacious home. The wraparound porch welcomes you into the 4-bedroom 4,082 square foot custom home. Located off the green of the first hole at Two Rivers Country Club Golf Course. This custom home boasts cathedral ceiling, hardwood floors, exceptional natural lighting and an open floor plan ideal for entertaining. The main staircase is a Southern living-inspired design. Great room with statement cathedral ceiling offers large living area with built-ins and gas fireplace for gatherings of family and friends. 3 French doors in your great room open to one of the 3 lovely outdoor patio spaces. Partially covered with ceiling fans and recessed lighting, the terrace becomes an outdoor room. Enjoy daily views of sunsets over the golf course. The window-filled family room boasts beautiful statement ceiling and hardwood floors. Casual dining open to the family room and gourmet kitchen offers beautiful views and access to the side porch. Enjoy view of the second fireplace and the family room from the gourmet kitchen. The kitchen features island prep sink, gas cooktop, double ovens and more. Just off the kitchen is the spacious laundry and first floor office with its own entry. The stairs in the office lead to the bonus multi-purpose room. Just off the kitchen is the side deck offering the perfect private outdoor spot for relaxation. The main floor master ensuite offers golf course views and outdoor access. The uniquely personalized dressing room connects the divided walk-in closet and the master suite. The master bath offers a spa-like experience with natural light and a separate shower and soaking tub. All 3 upstairs bedrooms share a loft area. Two large bedrooms upstairs are adjoined by Jack and Jill bathroom with separate vanities.